Hey Dolph, how you doing?
Good, how about you?
I'm good, thanks. So Dolph, I just wanted to take honest feedback. What do you think about us?
So I think you very, very serious person. You give me a lot of job. We do a lot of money because of you. I'm very appreciated and thank you about it.
All right, and what would you recommend to others about F16 Media?
I can tell for everybody the service is very good. We make a lot of money and you're very, very good company.
So you are getting air duct leads and drive rent leads.
Yeah, every day I get my leads, less money I give you, and I bring a lot of money.
All right, so do you recommend us to other air duct leading companies?
Yeah, sure,
All right, man. Thank you so much.
sure.